On November 13, 2025, Blue Origin made history in a way that captured the imagination of space enthusiasts and industry experts alike. The company's New Glenn rocket embarked on its second orbital mission, a pivotal moment that demonstrated Blue Origin's growing capabilities and ambitions. After months of anticipation, technical refinements, and overcoming unexpected delays, the massive New Glenn rocket finally soared into the sky, igniting a sense of excitement and hope for the future of commercial spaceflight. The highlight of the mission was the breathtaking controlled descent and flawless landing of the first stage booster on the drone ship Jacqueline, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. This remarkable feat of reusability is a true game changer, setting a new standard for making spaceflight not only more affordable, but also more sustainable for future generations. Landing a booster of this unprecedented size at sea is an extraordinary engineering challenge, demanding split-second precision, advanced navigation, and seamless coordination between teams on the ground and at sea. For Blue Origin, this mission was the culmination of years of relentless work, innovation, and an unwavering belief in their vision to open space for all. The company not only reached orbit with precision, but also brought its booster home safely, ready to be refurbished and flown again, proving the promise of true rocket reusability. Building New Glenn was a marathon of innovation, requiring the team to overcome daunting technical hurdles, push the boundaries of engineering, and reimagine what's possible in rocketry. With this successful mission, Blue Origin has firmly established itself as a top-tier commercial space company, ready to compete on the world stage. Their patient, methodical approach, marked by careful testing and incremental progress, has paid off spectacularly, earning respect across the industry. The launch not only reshapes the industry, but also signals the arrival of a powerful new player, one that is ready to expand humanity's reach into the cosmos and inspire a new generation of explorers. With New Glenn's success, a new chapter in space exploration has truly begun, promising even greater achievements on the horizon. New Glenn's mission wasn't just about the rocket, it was about what it carried, its primary payload, NASA's Escapade spacecraft, twin probes bound for Mars to study how solar wind strips away the planet's atmosphere. This research is vital for understanding Mars's history and preparing for future human missions. Both probes checked in healthy after deployment, ready for their journey. Alongside them, Viasat's HaloNet technology demonstrator launched to test next-generation satellite communications. HaloNet could revolutionize global connectivity, bringing high-speed internet to remote areas and supporting the growing satellite network. Each payload represents a leap in science and technology, made possible by reliable access to space. Blue Origin's success is a win for scientists, engineers, and dreamers everywhere. This launch advances our quest to explore and connect our world and beyond. New Glenn's flight and landing mark a pivotal turning point for the entire space industry, signaling the dawn of a new era in how we reach orbit and beyond. This isn't just another rocket launch, it's a demonstration of what's possible when innovation meets determination. The key to this revolution is reliability and, most importantly, reusability. Rockets that can return, be refurbished, and fly again are transforming the economics of spaceflight. Not long ago, rockets were single-use machines, discarded after every mission. This made spaceflight prohibitively expensive and limited access to only the wealthiest governments and organizations. Now, Blue Origin has joined SpaceX in proving that boosters can be recovered, refurbished, and flown again. This breakthrough is reshaping the industry and inspiring a new generation of engineers and entrepreneurs. The result? Dramatically lower costs, and a space industry that's more accessible than ever before. New missions, startups, and ideas can now take flight, fueling a wave of innovation. Imagine if airlines discarded planes after every flight. Space was once that exclusive. Now, the dream of routine, affordable access to space, is becoming reality. Reusable rockets make regular, affordable launches possible, accelerating innovation and competition. This means more frequent missions, faster progress, and a thriving commercial space sector. New Glenn's success injects fresh energy into the market, giving customers more options and driving progress. Companies and countries now have more choices than ever before. The ultimate goal is a launch system as dependable as a railway, supporting ambitious projects from lunar bases to Mars missions, and even beyond. Reliable, repeatable launches are the backbone of future exploration. Blue Origin's achievement proves that New Glenn is a real, working system, not just a concept or a promise. It's a tangible step forward for commercial spaceflight. This new level of reliability is the foundation for humanity's next steps in space, enabling everything from satellite constellations to crewed missions and deep space exploration. The future of space access just got a lot brighter, and with New Glenn, the possibilities for discovery and progress are truly limitless. New Glenn's success sent shockwaves through the global space community, capturing imaginations everywhere. Hundreds of thousands watched the launch and landing live, sharing the moment online and with friends and family. Social media buzzed with excitement, and industry leaders, from rivals to NASA, offered praise and congratulations. The achievement validated years of effort and billions invested, boosting confidence in Blue Origin's vision and future. For customers, it's proof their payloads are in good hands, ready for journeys beyond Earth. For engineers, it's a morale boost and a call to push further, to reach even greater heights. The story inspires new talent and fuels the next generation's dreams of exploring the universe. This shared excitement propels us all toward the stars, united by wonder and possibility. While Blue Origin soared to new heights, making headlines with their successful launches, Firefly Aerospace faced a harsh lesson in September 2025, a moment that would test the company's resolve and vision for the future. During a critical test, its Alpha rocket ended in a fiery explosion, a dramatic and sobering reminder of rocketry's unforgiving nature, where even the smallest oversight can have explosive consequences. Firefly's investigation traced the failure to a minor process error that caused hydrocarbon contamination, not a fundamental design flaw. That's a silver lining, because it means the rocket's core engineering remains robust and reliable. The heart of the Alpha rocket, its engines and systems, proved themselves sound, giving the team confidence to move forward. In response, the company quickly implemented stricter inspections, added more advanced sensors, and upgraded abort systems to catch issues before they escalate. Firefly's transparent response, openly sharing findings and corrective actions, helped rebuild trust with partners, investors, and the public, and showed the world their resilience. Setbacks are inevitable in spaceflight. History is filled with dramatic failures and hard-won lessons. What truly matters is how companies respond, whether they give up or rise to the challenge and adapt. Firefly's determination to learn, adapt, and improve is a testament to the spirit driving the new space age, where innovation is born from adversity. Now the team is already preparing for their next launch, stronger, wiser, and more united than before. Every failure is a lesson, every setback a chance to grow, and every review meeting brings new insights. Every comeback is a step forward, a victory not just for Firefly, but for the entire space community. The journey to space is tough, filled with long nights and solitary moments, but perseverance is key. Firefly's story is far from over. Their ambition and drive continue to fuel their quest for the stars. The challenges of spaceflight are global, as China's Galactic Energy recently discovered. Their Series 1 rocket, after a string of successes, failed when its fourth stage didn't ignite, destroying 3 satellites. The loss was a blow, but the company responded with transparency, issuing a public apology and committing to a thorough investigation. This openness builds trust and marks a shift from the secrecy of past space programs. Galactic Energy pledged to strengthen quality control and keep pushing forward. Setbacks are part of the journey, not the end. Work continues on their next-generation reusable rockets. Like others, they see failure as a step toward future success. The past weeks capture the reality of the modern space age, triumphs and setbacks, leaps forward and hard lessons. Blue Origin's New Glenn success electrified the industry, unlocking new possibilities for science and commerce. The deployment of NASA's Escapade and Viasat's HaloNet shows the tangible benefits of progress. Firefly and Galactic Energy's failures remind us that space is hard and every detail matters. These aren't signs of weakness, but of innovation's risks. What stands out is the industry's response: transparency, investigation, and a commitment to improve. This cycle of failing, learning, and flying again drives progress. Each setback makes future missions safer and more reliable. The space industry is maturing, with more players and more ambition than ever. Every launch, success, or failure moves us forward. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.